Welcome back to Behind the Scenes here in the Creepy Crawler's Garage. Gonna take a quick look what's been going on here in the garage and on the channel this week. One of the big projects here on the channel I'm trying to take care of this week and next week is a complete overhaul of the look of the channel. What I'm talking about is redesigning and recreating the different logos for the shop, Creepy Crawler's Garage, and for the channel itself, TandemCTelevision. Both of these really are in dire need of an update. When I created both of them, it took me probably 10 minutes to design both. I was in a hurry. I just wanted to get the channel up and running. But now that I've got into the channel, I've got a decent following, and I really want to update the look, make it look a little better, a little more current. And I'd like to include you guys in on this also. If you think you have any artistic ability or at least design ability, go ahead and redesign the Creepy Crawler's Garage logo and the TandemCTelevision logo and send them to me to the email address down in the description. And what I think we'll do is next week, I'll take what I do, I'll take what you guys do, we'll put them all together, maybe we'll do some kind of vote, maybe we'll do some kind of community interaction to choose the new logos for, or at least updated logos for Creepy Crawler's Garage and TandemCTelevision. Now, along with this, I'm also going to incorporate it, like I said, into the overall look of the channel. So I'll be redoing the headers, the thumbnails. I'm going to try to theme a little better so that they all go together. What that means is RC Shop, they are already somewhat have a theme, but I just want to make it more apparent. So I want, if you go to the channel and you want to watch the RC Shop, you can look at the thumbnail and you instantly know this is an episode of the RC Shop. Behind the scenes, you instantly know this is an episode of Behind the Scenes. And I think I'll do it with color and maybe some design in the thumbnails, but I need to hold off on that until we get the new designs for the logos, because I want it to all be what you would call a corporate ID, or to all go together. So anyways, if you have any good ideas, if you have any designs that you think would be really cool, send them to me to the email down in the address, down in the description below. We also finally completed the 6x6 that Banggood had sent out to us. So this is the 6x6 kit from Banggood that we've been working on. The last video is in edit now. It'll be coming out hopefully this week, maybe the beginning of next week. But we finally got it finished. This is also the same 6x6 that we'll be giving away, or that you can win over at patreon.com/TandemCTelevision. So if this is something you'd like to win, go ahead and head over to the Patreon page. Get your chance to win. Basically, you just have to be an Explorer level or higher supporter, and it gives you an entry to win this 6x6, and then also all future I Made Something episodes. Whatever it is we're working on, you'll have the chance to win it over at the Patreon page. But I just wanted to give a little closer look and a little behind the scenes look at the 6x6, and to let you know that the final episode is coming, so you can see the final assembly of this 6x6 shortly here on the channel. And now the question I get asked most, and probably deserve the most, is when is the next episode of the RC Shop? Well, I was going to shoot for Friday or tomorrow, but honestly, it's probably going to be Monday. And I think it's probably better to go ahead and push it to Monday. One, that gives me a full time to edit it. Gives me the weekend also if I need to re-edit or anything like that. But it also puts us back on schedule with the RC Shop on Mondays, which I think most people liked, was having it as a bit of a Monday evening escape to be able to watch the RC Shop. So that'll put us back on schedule. I apologize for the length of time between episodes. I've had some things going on in life, and sometimes life gets in the way of YouTube, but I'm going to try to get back on schedule, of course, and look for that. Should be coming this Monday. And as always, I want to thank you guys for listening to me ramble about nothing, and hit that like button if you enjoyed, hit the subscription button if you'd like to keep up with all the different builds and programs on the channel. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.